Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game from Scratch, and we have another game development-related bundle. This one is not Humble, this one is actually over on Fanatical, and Fanatical bundles are actually some of the best deals you are ever going to find, and right now they have something called Bundle Fest going on. It's basically a sale of sales kind of thing, and today they added a new bundle to Bundle Fest, and that is the Game Creators bundle. The name Game Creators may sound familiar to you. They've been making commercial game engines for decades now, and they've got three most popular engines out there, and that's what's pretty much included in this bundle. It's almost like all of their products, and you can get like basically all of their products for like 15 bucks. Now they have more DLC content. It's not 100% comprehensive, but it is their three major game engines. Now if you've never bought a Fanatical before, it's sort of structured like Humble. You've got three different tiers. The $1 tier gets you 6 products in this case. The second tier at $5 US gets you 13 products, and you buy the full thing for 15 bucks, you get a full 20 products. And that basically boils down to all of the game engines they make. So here you can see, if you buy the bundle, you get, this is the Fanatical page. By the way, you can come back here multiple times. In this particular case, you don't actually download the content from Fanatical. What you do get is Steam redemption keys. So you click the reveal key button, it will give you a key that you can then redeem on Steam, and then it's as if you bought it off Steam. So if updates are released, you get the updates, and so on and so forth. And these game engines have been going strong for many, many years now. So I've covered every single one of them. I'm not going to go into a ton of depth on each engine, but I will show you at the end of this video. I have done reviews or tutorials on every single thing we're going to cover here. So what you're getting at the $1 tier, you're getting GameGuru. Think of GameGuru as an extremely easy-to-use 3D game engine. It's not going to compete with the likes of Unity or Unreal or Godot for features, but it is going to blow them all out of the water for ease of use. And another nice thing about that is there's also a ton of DLC packs available, so when you've got content to work with, it makes prototyping levels or getting started or learning a heck of a lot easier. And on the topic of DLC, you get a ton of DLC. We're going to get into the details later on. So at the second tier, so this is 5 bucks, then you're moving into AppGameKit. Then you're also getting some AppGameKit stuff and a few more games that were created using their products. And then finally, at the $15 tier, you're getting AppGameKit Studio. We'll cover what each one of those things is, and then also you're getting a bunch more DLC content and a couple more games. So let's jump in. The first one at the $1 tier, the pillar there is GameGuru. GameGuru is a simple-to-use 3D game engine. You've got level editor, you've got a number of scripts in there to get things working. It's been developed, and there's constant releases on this thing. And as I mentioned earlier on, there is a ton of DLC packs for it, and you're getting quite a few of the DLC packs. At the $1 tier, you're also getting the Mega Pack. So tons of different assets available there. You're getting the Mega Pack 2. And the Mega Pack 3. So that's a number of different models to get you up and started, as well as the Buildings Pack. So you get some nice content to go along with this one. And then we move on to the next tier. So the $5 tier, you're getting the Game Creators' other product, and that is AppGameKit. Now, AppGameKit is a really kind of simple, basic implementation, but also the cool thing here is you can also use it as a C++ library. So if you're looking for a full-featured say sort of like SDL or SFML, but super powered with like 3D functionality and 3D object loading capabilities, AR, VR support, and all that stuff, AppGameKit actually could provide that for you. So you can code in BASIC, but you can also, again, code using the linked C++ library if you want to make things a little bit more difficult on yourself. It also comes with a code editor. So you're seeing here, this is the AppGameKit. It was mostly designed to create 2D games, but as it went on, they added more and more 3D functionality onto it as well. And it gives you, again, this really simple-to-use basic type programming language, definitely an approachable option for beginners. If you pick the $5 tier up, you also get the AppGameKit Classic Giant Assets Pack number 1. You get the Giant Assets Pack number 2. So the nice thing here is you're getting a number of sprites and templates and such needed to start creating games. So again, this makes it really nice for beginners that are just trying to start out, because you've got all of the stuff you need in one place. You've got the engine, or in this case, more of a framework, to be honest, the code editor, and then all the assets you need to start making things work. Plus, you get a couple more GameGuru add-ons. So at this point in time, you're getting the construction site pack and the sci-fi mission to Mars pack. So you can see here, any one of these DLC contents is pretty much cheaper than the entire thing. So definitely a good value here. And then finally, we get to the $15 tier, and you get their newest product. And this is AppGameKit Studio. This is basically AppGameKit meets Unity editor. It's kind of the idea behind it. So what you finally got is it's an all-in-one place for coding app GameKit style games, but now you have a 2D level editor to work with. You've got all the tools you need in place. And I've actually done a tutorial on working with App GameKit Studio. So see here, it's a full 2D game editing environment that uses the App GameKit programming methodologies. This one is not C++, by the way. So if you wanted to work with the C++ API from App GameKit, you could use this to create levels for sure, but you're not going to code directly inside of App GameKit Studio. But this is their newest product. It was released just a couple of years ago. So you get that at the $15 tier. Plus you also get their Mega Media Pack, a collection of, well, assets basically. And then you're getting the GameGuru Antiques in the Attic pack. You're getting the GameGuru Fantasy pack and the Military pack. And I think that is it. So if you want to check it out, I have done a video on all of these things. I did a video on GameGuru. This was where I literally said the easiest 3D game engine, and I kind of hold by that. There's not too many things that are a little bit easier. You've got a couple like build box that try to be easier, but the only thing I would kind of put in the same category as GameGuru for ease is something like Copper Cube. There's a few others, easy to use 3D game engines, but in all honesty, if you want to create games, 3D games, and you want to have a ton of content pack, GameGuru definitely is a good entry point. And I'm not going to lie to you and say that you're going to get the best graphical fidelity out of here. You're going to be looking at a lot of what you see in a Steam asset flip, because quite frankly, I think a lot of Steam asset flips were actually created using GameGuru, but in a way, that's a compliment, because it means this is an easy or quick or productive tool to work with. Graphic quality, you're not AAA. You don't have an HD render pipeline. You don't have Unity, Nanite or Lumen level graphic fidelity. None of that. Not even close. In some ways, you're creating a game of the graphic fidelity of maybe the early aughts, late aughts kind of thing. So do be aware of that. But if you want to actually just get results out, and it's your first game engine, GameGuru is actually a pretty good recommendation. And then we get into App GameKit. When this was first released, I actually did a full-blown tutorial that showcases how to basically do stuff. Create a level, load a scene, handle input, add bullets and sounds, handle sprite sheets, and then there's a video of that as well. So if you want to check out App GameKit Studio, well, you can. And then finally, App GameKit itself. I haven't actually covered this one in quite a while, but I kind of showcase how simple it is. So here you create a, ooh, I broke all my script. Oops. All the tools you need to go, the editor that's included in. It hasn't changed a whole lot since then, but what you'll find is App GameKit has been around for a very, very long time, and it's a mature product. And there's some nice tools in there. For example, there's a live link application, so you can see it right. I saw it there. Here. So you can run this on your phone and then kind of remote deploy without doing anything special. You don't have to push an APK out to your phone or anything. There's VR and augmented reality features that have been built into it since, and so on. And as I mentioned earlier on, you can actually get in and start doing C++ native code if you so wish. And when it comes to like a comprehensive, simple to use C++ 2D and 3D framework, it's actually a pretty good choice. So that is it. That is, again, Bundle Fest going on right now. This is the GameCreators bundle. Pretty much you're getting about 80% of the GameCreators products, DLC, and everything else for less than the price of a single product here in this deal. It's an amazing deal if you've ever been looking at the GameCreators stuff. Again, save 99%, and they're not really lying on that one. By the way, again, they have Bundle Fest going on. There's other things you can check out here, but one thing to be aware of is they got a whole category of not game bundles. By the way, they've also got game bundles. But if you come in and check this out, there's a few. This one I didn't do a video on because it's a bit of a repeat, but they've got the game music bundle out there as well, which is a collection of tracks that this is running right now. I think I did do a video about this one, but there's the Mighty 2D Game Dev Assets bundle that's ending in 2 days, by the way. So if you're looking for 2D assets, check that one out. And then we've got a number of packed booked bundles for things like Unreal, Unity, and so on. Those seem to be running forever. I have covered them in the past, but those are there as well. And then there's also one for training, Zenva. There's Zenva game and game development courses bundle available here as well. So definitely check out their other bundles while you were there. Fanatical stuff is a great deal. By the way, if you use my link, I get a small commission, and thank you very much for doing so. So that is that, the Game Creator bundle. So if you were looking to ever pick up GameGuru, some GameGuru DLC content, AppGameKit or AppGameKit Studio, you're not going to beat this bundle. I got no idea how long it runs. That's one of those things with Fanatical bundles is they don't expire in the traditional sense. So I have no idea how long this will last. But definitely check it out if you're interested. Again, you're not going to be creating AAA games anytime soon. But just when you take a look at the versions here, you're going to see the pricing. It just pays for itself. So even at discount, GameGuru right now is $22 Canadian. So that's more than the entire bundle. And it kind of boils down to it. Again, you start looking at some of the DLC packs you're getting. So you get in the military pack. It's normally $25. Fantasy pack, $25. Now, do keep in mind, this stuff is for sale all the time. Every Steam sale, you'll get between 70 and 90% off of GameGuru, and then a bunch of the DLC content will be discounted and so on. But even then, this bundle is a huge savings even over the best Steam sale. So that is it. The GameCreators bundle over on Fanatical. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I shall talk to you all later. Goodbye.